If you want to learn how to make this super cute emoji, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So what are you going to need? First off, you're going to need your scissors, a needle, a G hook, an F hook. You're also going to need some yellow yarn, some red yarn, and some brown yarn. You're going to need a circle for this particular project, but I'll leave a video card up there, a little link to the circle video. So as a result, we don't need the G hook. So grabbing our F hook here and some red yarn. Okay, get your pattern and follow along with me here. So with your red here, we're going to start with the eyes. We have 2 we need to make. I always start with a magic loop, which is just basically chaining 2. And then after you chain 2, we're going to start with a single crochet. Then we're going to do a half double crochet. And then next we're going to do a double crochet. Now we're going to do 2 double trebles. So of course you yarn over twice. So we're going to do 2 of those. Next we're going to chain 4. And then we're going to slip stitch down into our loop, which is the first chain that we started with. So we're going to do a slip stitch right there. And you got the first half of your heart there. Isn't it cute? Now we're going to do a chain 4 to match the other side. So we're going to chain 4 here. Then we're going to go right into our 2 trebles that we need to do. All right, it's starting to look good here. So now we're going to do a double crochet. Next, we're going to do a half double crochet. And then we're going to do a single crochet. At this point, I like to fluff and shape it. Make sure everything is even. It looks pretty good. So I'm inserting the hook again because I'm going to slip stitch to the other side of the heart there and then close it off. So at this point, I like to grab my scissors, give myself a little bit of string, and then cut it off there. And you insert your hook, grab the end of it, and just pull it all the way through. And then tighten it. And I like to pull that end there too. And you got your one little heart done. Grab some more red and repeat for the other eye. So we're going to cut that off. And you're going to pull the end through. So now we have 2 little eyes there. Starting to look like it's in love. But next we're going to need to do our mouth. So grabbing some brown here. We are going to start with a chain 10. Now working on this chain 10 we have here, we're going to start with a slip stitch. Then we're going to single crochet. We're going to half double crochet 2 times. And then in the next chain we're going to do 3 double crochets in that next chain. And then we're going to do a half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Then we're going to do a single crochet, and then we're going to do a slip stitch, and then that's the end of that row. Alright, this is a little bit of a tricky part. What we're going to do is going to turn it upside down and working along the chain there. Make sure that you take this end here and hold it and just crochet around it. So what we're going to do, as you can see here, I'm just crocheting evenly all the way down the chain. So I'll go single crochet in the next 5 chains. And then in that middle chain where we did the 3 double crochet set, we're going to do 3 single crochets in that. So from this point on, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each one of these 5 bumps that we have left to the back of the chain. Okay, so you have your little mouth piece there. Cut that off and pull the end through. And here's the point where I told you to have that little crochet around that little end piece of string. When you pull it, it makes it into a smile. So that's the reason why we crochet around it, to keep its little shape there. Now it's time to sew all these pieces together. Okay, so there you go. Make sure you clean up your messes. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. If you can do me a solid, go to Instagram, tag me in your projects made with this particular video, and that would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching.